Hello guys, how is everyone? Today we're gonna do an open box video, and I've been using a Canon G7X and my mobile camera from my phone X for past videos. So I thought, let me upgrade, let me buy an action camera. So I was looking outside in the market for an action camera. There was only two good ones, which are everyone knows that Hero Black 7 or DJI Osmo Action. Since I'm blogging and everything like that, so I need a front display, so that's why I went with the Osmo Action. So I bought it from a site called buydig.com. I had a coupon with them, and it's actually $350, and I had a $50 coupon, and then it comes in a combo package. So let's go and find out what's inside the box. I'm so excited and hope you are too. So let's go and find out. I love unboxing things, so let's open it. Okay. Okay, that's garbage. Where is it? What's in the package? Their bill of sale. Okay, let's see. I have a 32 GB memory card. I have a look like it's a carrying case. Let's see. That's garbage. Yeah, it's a cute carrying case. And what else? And I have their flyer, I think. Something about that. Get code. Don't need it. Wow. Let's see. It's a garbage. Oh, it's a cool tripod. Wow. Wow. Nice. I already have one, but I guess I can use it. Now, dun-dun-dang, Osmo Action. It's pretty much a small box than I expected. Pretty much, what do you call it? It's like a size of a cell phone box. So, brand new, sealed. So, I'm so excited to open, so let's open it. All right, there you go. So let's open and find out. Let me make sure that it's recording. Okay. Okay, so let's open and find out what's in there. I'm pretty excited, so I don't want to mess the box. I always open very carefully. I don't like to destroy things, so let's see. Okay, so there's a sticker here. I want to open it carefully. Okay, I keep it neat and clean. Here you go. That's Osmo Action camera right there. Has a brand new sticker on it. So we'll come to that. This is some silica gel, so you don't need that. Okay, first find out what's in this box. So basically there's two boxes in one big box right here. So let's see what's in this box first. Okay, anything else? Yes, there's something in it. Okay, oh well, so that's just a box. Now some, I guess, some guide about warnings, disclaimer, and all things. Osmo, I think, information. You can visit their site. We don't need that. This one is I think, holding. It has a tape on it, and I think you can put the camera. You can it's like a angled level. So I guess if you want to put it in your dash of your car or any angled surface, you can put it like that. So I think that's for this, and this is flat, so you can attach camera and flat. I'm sure you can open this. I gotta figure it out. Okay, here you go. Yeah, this comes off, and you can attach in here, and you can use this like that. Wow, that's a cool box. Let's see what's in there. Oh, it's a battery. Okay, cool. Look, battery comes in a box. That's cool. So that's a battery. Let me see what it is. It's a lithium-ion battery, and yeah, it's it's 1300 milliamps. Okay, so that's 1300 milliamps battery. Okay, so now, okay, what's in this white box? I mean, that box, pouch. Okay, that's we need that. That's USB-C charging or data cable, and this one is, I think, to tighten it for this. Okay, actually they could send it like this. I don't know why they separate it. I guess for logistic purpose, but anyway, so let's go. So there's nothing in the back, pretty much just this. Okay, so I'm gonna peel it off carefully. So I'm gonna use this. So you're gonna peel this off. One goes here, front display. We'll take it off from there. So this is the camera. Okay, to open it, you lift the front first and you lift the back. Open the back. You push the camera out. I don't want to break the first day. That'd be so sad. Okay, let's take this off. I'm gonna place it there. Let's see. I'm gonna lift this off. I'm gonna place it here. Oh, it's not sticking. Well, doesn't matter. So that's the camera, and I'm gonna put the battery in. So battery goes like this way, I guess. Okay, goes in. Light came on. Yes, there's a power switch to turn it on. So let's turn it on. I'm gonna click the power switch right here. One click. Wow. You gotta set it up. English. Yeah, we're gonna activate it, so we'll come back to that. So that's pretty much. So that's Osmo Action camera right here. Wow, so excited in my hand. So that's just an open box video, and I'm gonna come with another video, another setup video, and another review video with this. So keep watching, and if you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing. And I'm gonna come up with a lot of tech videos, a lot of new videos with this, and